this video, I'll be showing you how to verify your BitGet account so that you can pass the KYC verification. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is just head over to BitGet and just make sure you are logged into your account. Now, this can be done on their website or the mobile app, so use whichever device that you find easiest. From there, you should be able to see your profile icon, and on PC that's in the top right corner. From there, we can see that we're unverified, so we will need to pass the ID verification. And we can do so by going down to where it says identity verification. And as you can see, here are our current limits for our account, but in order to actually unlock all the features inside of BitGet, we will have to verify, and we will basically be able to do whatever we want inside of BitGet. So as you can see down here, this is what's needed for verification. We need a government issued document, a face recognition verification, and they need about 60 minutes to verify that it is all correct. So when you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and click verify. And from there, they will ask for our country. So to start with, you want to choose whichever country you're from. And I'm from the UK, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. So the first step is to verify your ID. And you can choose between an ID card, a passport, a driving license, and a residence card. So pick whichever one you find easiest. And from there, you can choose to do this on your mobile or on your PC. So if you've got a photo of your ID already saved on your PC, I'd recommend you choose the PC option. However, if you need to take a photo of your ID, I'd recommend you do mobile verification, because that will mean you can just take it with your phone camera and it will save you having to send it to your PC. So you want to upload your legal documents, then after that they will ask for a complete facial recognition to confirm it is you on the ID. And after you've done that, they will then start reviewing your information to make sure it's all correct. However, if it's all good, they will successfully verify your account and you will have passed KYC verification successfully. After that, you'll then be able to use BitGet exactly how you like because you'll have all the features unlocked. So that's how you can verify your BitGet account. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.